Right here, I have the patio set that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this 5-piece patio furniture set. Now this is gonna seat up to 7 people and is perfect for your backyard, your patio, or your deck. You could get these in a couple different colors. I ended up opting for the gray. You could also get this in a beige, which is absolutely gorgeous. Now guys, some of the features that get me so excited about this set is not only does it look beautiful, but it has 5-inch seat cushions that are gonna be super comfortable. So with this durable steel frame and this 5-inch cushion, I actually can't feel the bottom at all. It supports 350 pounds per chair, so that's gonna be good to accompany all different shapes and body types, and it also has a 24-inch depth all the way back, so that's gonna be super impressive. And these are gonna be wide, so they're gonna be made to relax, kick back, and have a good time on your patio, deck, or backyard. Now, as you can see before me, this does come with the coffee table setup. This is gonna be steel, it's gonna be scratch resistant, water resistant, super easy to clean. And actually all of these are gonna have an anti-tip kit on them. So if you do have a patio with like a deck, or you're gonna put this on a concrete slab or anything like that, you can adjust the bottom of the legs to make them absolutely perfectly level, so there's no teeter-tottering whatsoever. These pillows in the back are so fluffy. So this is gonna be made with a high density foam material on the base, but the backs of these are actually filled with a really fluffy material that is super comfortable, and I love the way that it feels when I'm sitting back relaxing on this chair. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so I wanted to see some of the detail here up close for you guys. Now, look at this fabric. It's absolutely amazing. The stitching is on point, and we have 5 inches of cushion. So that's just gonna be incredible. Look at this contrast. We have this beautiful black up top. We even have this nice silver hardware that kind of just pops and contrasts as well. And then we got the wood grain style that's gonna be like the natural wood. And all of that together just makes such an epic piece. Now, as you can see here, you can look at the stone on the back of my house, and I have a little bit of this like orangish brown, and it kind of just ties in perfectly with this outdoor set. Now, this is going to be the 3 set. It's super long, going to be able to fit 3 people, no problem. And I love how this does have that 24-inch depth that's going to make it very nice and comfortable when you're sitting on the chair. Now, this table is amazing because it has the anti-tip kit even on the table as well. And it's like something I've never seen before. It's so cool. Looks absolutely amazing, and this is gonna have that anti-scratch resistant as well. Clean, spills off very easily. This is definitely gonna last a long time. Now, over here are some of my favorite pieces because these are the single pieces. Now, you can move these around and make them look so cool in different patterns and ways. So there's a lot of different options that you can use these for. And as you can see on the top here with these seat backs, they are so soft and fluffy. So this is what it looks like in the back. Plenty of support all the way throughout. You can't even feel any of that. Here's the bottom. Another one of my favorite parts about this is that these are going to tie into the back as well. So you're not going to have these flying off whenever you do have like a crazy windstorm or anything like that. And then when we get to the bigger pieces, like the 2-seater over here, you're going to have a framing in the middle. And then you're also going to have framing in the middle on the 3-piece as well. So it's going to be very structurally sound. And then each one of these seats is going to support 350 pounds. And this right here is another way that you can set it up so you can have everybody kind of looking at each other a lot closer, and you can have the centerpiece right here where you can put some food, snacks, and drinks. The single here, there. There's so many different options that you can do, but this is just another way that you can put it to make it look absolutely amazing. Now, with this 5-piece set, it gives you so many options to lay this out in a bunch of different ways to make this look so good and accommodate your guests and your layout of your space. I honestly picture this too, where you could have all of these seats surrounded on a nice fire pit area. That would be pretty awesome. And you could have this laid out on the side to hold all your s'mores, marshmallows, and your drinks and snacks. That's something that I'm looking forward to this summer. Now, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about the assembly process because this was way easier than I actually expected. These directions were super easy to follow. We had pictures that outlined everything. All the tools, the nuts and the bolts were all organized properly. Now, I love the fabric on the seat cushions because it is fade resistant, so that's going to be important if you're going to have this outside in an uncovered space. Maybe you're going to be having this in direct sunlight, so that's definitely going to help make this last a long time. This is going to have a water repellent material on it too, so it's going to be prone to resist moisture and spills, making it really easy to clean and ensuring it's going to last a long time. Now, these seat cushions are all going to have zippers, so you can take the fabric off and you can actually wash everything, so you're going to be able to make sure everything is going to stay nice and clean. And that's also going to help if you do have pets. Not only is this going to be a high quality set, but the finish on here is absolutely stunning. The surface on the top is going to be a metal material material, and it's gonna have a wood grain look going all the way throughout, so it gives a nice contrast, and I absolutely love that. This is such a modern touch, and I haven't seen anything quite like this. Usually you're gonna see a wicker set for an outdoor furniture, but this definitely differentiates itself and stands out from the crowd. Whether you're looking to get a couple pieces for your outdoor setup, or you're looking to get the whole shebang and seat everybody for a nice party and kick back, relax, and make your space an outdoor oasis, Furnimart is gonna have you covered with all of their beautiful options. Make sure you check out the other colors, add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.